Good morning, everyone. It's Lonnie. We're in the shed, and yeah, I'm gonna pull some eBay orders, stuff I sold on eBay yesterday. I think I have 9 orders going out today, so let's get busy. Okay, first thing I'm looking for on the Pop A shelf is a Metacom. It's called Metacom Mafex, M-A-F-E-X. I've seen this brand a few times. This is Batman with all these cool little accessories. He's got all these hands and all kind of stuff in there. But anyways, got $39.99 plus shipping on top for this. So that was a really good one there. All right, next one is a big pack. It's on this shelf. Say it's big. It's Batman and Rob. Oh, it's all the way in the back. I'm gonna have to dig it out. It's all the way across the back there. All right, I pulled it out of there. This is a Batman Dark Knight Returns action figure 4-pack. It's got 4 of these characters with accessories and a light post over there. Sold that for $29.99 plus shipping on top. This box was not in very good shape. I don't know if it's coming through on camera or not, but it's like wavy. It's got a ton of wear on it and stuff, but yeah, still a good sale though. Sold a Wolverine from Pop A shelf. This is it, I think. Actually, that's a saber tooth. Let me make sure it's the right one. I think it is though, because he had that little head down there. Yeah, saber tooth. And on this one, I have a lot of these boxes have issues. Oh, okay, here it is. The damage is right here. Kind of became separated from the card. But yeah, this is one of those build-a-figure things where they have they come with the figure and then they come with another little part that goes to this guy right here. Smart way for them to market it to get people to buy all of that series or whatever. Anyway, I got $29.99 plus shipping on top for that. Sold a car manual. I took a best offer of $7 plus shipping on an Econoline book. Was it 1987 Econoline? That's not it. EVTSM, that's it, but I am gonna double check when I get back. Every now and then I'll sell one of these suckers. Yeah, $7 plus shipping on top. Took an offer. All right, more figs. Sold a Batman and Robin. I just have my hands on it. Sold a Batman and Robin 2-pack. All the way in the back. This one right here. I got $29. Place to set this down for a sec. Got $29.99 plus shipping on top for this one. It's like a diorama too. It's got like a background, like with the moon, or is that like? I was gonna say bat signal or spotlight or something, but I think it's the moon. Okay, I sold a Batman black and white statue, and this is from a few buys ago. Oh, I think it's this one right here, as a matter of fact. I will double check it when I get back, of course. Yeah, it must be this one. Lee Bermejo. Sculpted by Gene St. John. So yeah, I got $99.99 plus shipping on top. I think that's the most expensive thing I have going out today. Yep, that's it. That's the right one. I'm going to the Pop B shelf now and pulling a saber tooth with restraints and smash out action. I think that's him right there. I believe that's him. Yep, that is him. $12.99. Got my hands full. $12.99 plus shipping on top for that. And I could wear the camera I could wear the camera whenever I do this, but I like being able to control exactly what's going on with it. But anyways, let me make sure this is the right one. And yep, that is the right one. And that is going out to a viewer named Andrew. So Andrew, thanks so much. I really appreciate it. I hope you like it. All right, next order is 2 figs. It's got a regular size Batman and a little bitty Batman. I've never actually even seen this kind of thing before. Supposedly it's on this shelf over here somewhere. Here he is. This is it right here. Planet X Batman. And that little guy right there is called Batmite. So that sold for some amount. The total order here, you can see what this one sold for on the screen. The total order was $28.98 though for both, plus shipping. And then the other thing is Power Ring on Pot B shelf. Okay. It's on this shelf. I think it's this guy right here. Yep, Power Ring action figure. So yeah, these both got $28.98 plus shipping on top. And going out to a viewer named Carlos. Carlos, thank you so much. Hope you like the figs, man. Thanks again. Okay, last order I'm going to pull this morning is an airplane model C5B Galaxy. It's right here. I'm gonna move all these little guys out the way. Already see this shelf starting to empty out somewhat, a tad. Started with a lot. Like I filled up whenever I bought all these airplanes, it filled up like the back of the van. Pretty much. Like not chock full. But that was the day I went to the estate sale on a Monday and bought $600 worth of stuff. Speaking of that, that's one thing I need to do is I need to get all this stuff listed. This is like just this stuff right here on this shelf. It's probably about $600 worth of stuff right there alone. But anyway, this C5B Galaxy is sold for $29.99 plus shipping on top. And I remember the first time I saw a C5 fly, I was in basic training at Lackland Air Force Base, and they had one come overhead and it made a bank. And this thing, like, I'm sure it wasn't moving that slow, just the size of it kind of fools your eye or something. Maybe it was moving that slow, but it just looked like it should have fell out of the sky. It didn't look like it should fly at all. So yeah, these things are really, you don't really appreciate how big they are until you see them in person. All right, I got the stuff already pulled. It's all packed right here. But then I did sell one more thing while I was packing, so I'll go ahead and pack it up now rather than wait. It's a Ghost Rider fig. It's on shelf mid-A. Some of y'all might be happy to see me actually using these. This is it. Series 7. It's got the motorcycle and it's got the poster back there. So that is definitely it. $29.99 plus shipping on top for that. So I'll pack that up and then I'll be able to get over to the post office. Okay, I went to the post office, and then while I was there, or not while I was there, while I was out, I decided to go ahead and swing by the storage unit where my last buy is being stored. Most of it, I mean, I brought some stuff back, but the majority is still in the storage unit. I would estimate that I probably brought about 20% back the first run. So I went ahead and swung by there and picked up a few things. I want to get that stuff out of there as quickly as possible. So I didn't really have a chance to share with y'all what was in there. So I figured we kind of run through the stuff as I bring it in. These are some Gotham City Stories dimensional display pieces. So some kind of little statue type scenes or whatever. Like there's a Joker, That's a Batman. Imagine that, huh? Batman. And there's a Catwoman. Ooh, I like that one. Y'all know I like the Catwoman. There's a few pops in here. There's a couple of Ghost Riders here. That's what these are. There's two of these. These are actually pretty decent pops. These boxes are in nice condition too. Ghost Rider. This other Ghost Rider. This one says glows in the dark. This box is not quite as good. It's a little Batman bust. Batman bust. And this is like, I don't know, I guess that's another bust. Hand sculpted. Yeah, this is like one of those figures that I have so many of. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, some more Batman superhero collection. What the heck? I don't know what the... Are these chess pieces? No, those are just little figures. I don't know if these... They don't... Yeah, I don't know. First glance, they don't look very valuable, but we'll see. That's a Joker. Okay, this one's kind of cool. Batman on the Bat Cycle. So, I don't know. At first glance, that does not look very valuable, but I will find out. I'll definitely look it up. Brought this box over here. Okay. Oh, this some vinyl. That's a vinyl kit. 1/6 scale vinyl kit. I've never seen this. To build and paint, you will need the following supplies. So this is not pre-made. It's from 1993. Believe it or not, 1993 is friggin' 26 years ago. Here's another vinyl kit. Is that right? 26? Yes, it is right. There's one for Ghost Rider. Now here's a Spider-Man kit by Polar Lights. Okay, this is just a model. I've sold Polar Lights before. I would imagine everything's in there. It looks like it's sealed. Polar Light stuff, I mean, it's... Most of it isn't worth a bunch, but it sells pretty quick. GR model. I guess that's Ghost Rider model. So what is this? Okay. Looks like something he might have been in the middle of building. Okay, here's a Captain America Polar Lights model. Hopefully these are all still... They're not sealed, so I'm hoping they're still new, at least. Here's a Wolverine model. I love selling models, so this is right up my alley. I love selling new models, though. Here's another Polar Lights, a Hulk. How old are these? These look pretty modern. I just don't know if they're like from the 90s or... Okay, no, 2003. Okay. You can't tell because they kind of try and make them, some of them look vintage. Marvel Universe model kit for the Punisher. Horizon, manufacturer of Fantasy Hobby. Well, that's a little different. I've never heard of that company. A lot of stuff rolling around in there. It doesn't sound like it's sealed. So anyway, that's all the model stuff. What else I got? Oh, got this box. And this box is interesting. There's a Joker right here. Fine Pewter Original. He's holding a couple of fish. Hands up, Batman, I've got you covered. Okay, comic book champions, it says there. All right. It's loose. Little metals die cast. And I've got some pops. Now, these boxes are definitely not in great shape. I might be listing some of these on my own website. I don't know if I'm going to lot them together or what, but these are interesting. I think these might have some value. I showed them to Justin, my pop expert, and he had some trouble finding them. These are Batman portable speakers. They have a little cable in there to I guess like probably a mini jack to mini jack. Oh no, it's a oh, that's like a powered, these are powered speakers. Okay, so I wonder how they connect. USB MP3 audio speaker. So I don't see another cable in there. Dual USB 3.5 millimeter adapter. Huh, okay. Well, anyways, it looked like these had some pretty decent value. I have 2 of them here. So, I don't know. That might be $100 or so a piece. I hate to even say that because I don't know. There's some more Batman. These are just some pops. Like I said, look at this box. This box, that's like the worst box I've seen. Pop Rides, a Batmobile. I've never even seen a Pop Rides before. Man, I wish these boxes were better. Batman versus Superman, glow in the dark, Walmart exclusive. It's a Dorbs, a retro Batman. I'm assuming a lot of these probably aren't worth much. Here's a Judge Dredd. Another Batman, a Spider-Man, a Joker, vinyl bobblehead. And here's another one of those comic book champions. That is Batman right there. It says Silver Age. Hopefully I'll look these things up and I'll be like, wow, these are worth a ton, because I have a few of them here. That's another Batman. Wait, is that other one Robin maybe? Oh, that's Robin. Excuse me. And then this is another Batman. Looks like this packaging is a little ripped right here. So yeah, that's, oh. Then this was cool. Look, a Boondock Saints gun mug. It's got a gun, a pistol as a handle for the mug. And then I brought this Amazing Spider-Man plastic bank home. Somebody had said they were interested. I haven't even looked it up yet to see what it's worth, but it's dated 1978. It's like a blow mold, basically. It's a blow mold bank from 1978. So this thing is it 41 years old? That's something else. It's almost as old as me. Original Superhero Collector's Edition. So that's everything I brought back. I think I'm going to end the video here. I may even upload this video today if I'm feeling kind of frisky. So I don't know when the next video will be. I haven't listed anything yet, so we're still sitting at the same place here, but I'll update y'all and we'll later on in the next video, I guess, and we'll see what I do for day number 7 at least, if not day number 8. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.